Alright, for the first time ever on the internet, I'm going to show you a real trading strategy. I was thinking about a good buy and hold strategy last night. And I said to myself, well, there's a couple things that need to be talked about with buy and hold strategies. A, you need a really good entry point so that you're really limiting your loss, limiting your risk. And B, you want to be able to hold for as long as possible. I have not optimized with any kind of anything with this strategy. I have only even tested 1 week. I tested this in 30 seconds. I'm not saying that this is profitable long term, but it was very, very profitable for this particular week. And so over the next few days, I'm going to go through and backtest this for probably a year. I think a year would be a sufficient amount of time. But let's get started. So I'm looking at the NQ right now, okay? And this particular strategy that I'm looking at I started on the week of the 21st. And if I go down to my handy dandy calendar here, the 21st of, I don't know why I chose the 21st, by the way. It just kind of looked like it would work really well with the strategy. So 21st through 25th, that's the date range that we're about to be going through for this strategy. In order to trade the strategy, you would have to trade from 9:30 till 4. So anyway, we're looking at the NQ. My indicators that I have set up here on the screen, I have two of them. I have a stochastic with lines on Trade set to the 14 and 3 setting. I will have where is this here? An Aroon band. And I have the Aroon band from factory. What am I talking about? From the default settings, this is 12. And I switched it to 120. Alright, now let's get down to the strategy. What this strategy is every single time the Aroon band changes color, meaning for instance right here, it went from short to long to short to long to short, okay? We're waiting to get a good entry point with our stochastic. We're putting the stop right underneath the entry point, and we are letting it run for as long as the Aroon band runs. So let's look at the very first day. This is the 21st we're looking at right now, which is the Monday. So right here, it is 9:30. Now the market opened, but this particular Aroon band already started. So we're looking for a negative Aroon band. We're looking for it to switch colors. Right here, at 10:04, it switches colors. Now we're looking for confirmation on the stochastic. Boom, we got confirmation on the stochastic. Alright, we go short, somewhere in here. We put our stop loss right above the price. This trade failed. We're going past here. 11:03. We have a new Aroon band. The Aroon band switches to long. Boom, 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 boom. 11:36. We got our entry point. The entry point got filled. I always put it at the high, by the way. So I mean, we could have in theory filled a little bit lower than I have the red line starting at, but essentially we got filled somewhere in there. Stop goes right beneath the red box, and we let the Aroon band run. Now we let it run. Now I actually had it stop at 1600 because this is 4 o'clock. So even though it went a little bit further, boom, boom, up, 4 o'clock hit. So we're done. We're done. That's the trade. Let's move on to Tuesday. Boom, 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 boom. 9:30 market opens. Right as the market opened, we got a long indication on the Aroon band. We're looking. Boom. We get a good entry point on the stochastic. Alright? Meaning that the stochastic said it's oversold, so it's going to be going long. So now we have long in the Aroon band. We have long in the stochastic. We get filled somewhere in this red box. We put our stop loss right below the red box. Boom. Right here, trade failed. Moving on. What date? What's this? 10:12. 10:12 in the morning. We get another signal. Boom, 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 boom. We're looking for shorts. Boom. Stochastic went overbought. We go short. And woo baby. The money fucking started piling in right here. That move right here is all the way from 84 to 66, which is 80 points. That's a little over a 1,600 per contract move right there. And it actually went more again, just like the day before. It went more, but you know what? 4 o'clock hit, so we closed out. If you had stayed in just another little while longer, man, you could have had another probably $800 in that move. But it doesn't matter because we closed out. We closed out. All right. Where is 9 o'clock? All right. Boom. 9:30. 9:30. I actually think I missed one. That's okay. We're gonna pretend I didn't miss one. Market opens at 9:30. When the market opened, the Aroon band was already showing a long signal, so we wait for the opposite signal. Boom. We get a short signal. We look for it to be overbought on the stochastic. Boom, 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 boom. Overbought on the stochastic. What I didn't say in these previous examples, I've been waiting for a gray candle. But a gray candle happened right here, and that trade failed. But you could also say that the reason why we wouldn't have taken this trade. This is another rule that I did throw into the strategy that's important to look at. Maybe the reason why we didn't take this trade is because before we ever got a gray candle, so we got red, we're looking for the stochastic to go overbought. We're looking for a short. We're looking for a short. We're looking for a short. Oh, we got a gray candle. Oh, but look at what happened to the Aroon. Before we got the gray candle, the white, it already turned to long. So now, again, maybe fuck that trade. So now we're looking for long. 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 We're looking. Boom. Well, we get our long signal. Trade failed. Boom, 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 boom. We're looking for short. We're looking for short. We're looking for short. We're looking for short. Trade failed. All right. Now, this was a pretty baller trade, but unfortunately, this was right at the end of the day. We got our overbought right at 1600. So you know what? We probably wouldn't have taken that trade. That's way towards the end of the day, and I don't really trade past 4, so that's a good winner, but we're going to exclude that winner because we don't like to exaggerate here. Today, boom, 9:30 hit, the Aroon band was already long. We go to red. We're looking for it to go overbought, oversold, overbought. Boom, we get our good entry point, right? Market started coming down, but before we ever got a long signal, nope, fuck, we got stopped out. Right here at 11:01 in the afternoon, we get a long signal. We'd look for the market to go overbought or oversold. Boom, boom. We get our good entry point right here, and it failed. We would have gone long right here, stop underneath the red box, and it failed. We get a red to go short. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, right here, we're looking for a gray candle to go short because now our stochastic is overbought. Boom, boom. We get our short right here. We put our stop right above the red box. Trade failed. Now moving on to this is now Friday. This is the last day of the week. What a baller ass day this was. Boom, 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 boom. Market hits, market hits, market hits, market hits. Boom. 9:30. We're off to the races. Now right after 9:30, just a smidge at 9:31, we get our long signal. We wait for the stochastic to go overbought or oversold. Comes down, boom, we get our oversold signal. First green candle we buy, stop would have been under here. And, ooh, baby, look at that. It's another bitchin' profit. That is another bitchin' profit. So, real quickly, before I close this video out, this is and again, I haven't statistically backtested this yet for a year. That was 1 week. Maybe the strategy doesn't make money, but it seems like the strategy would. There's a lot of good, you're keeping your stop losses pretty tight. You're allowing your winners to really run, which, I mean, that's the basis of trading anyway on a non-order flow kind of feel, on a non-order flow spectrum or level. So, boom. I'm gonna backtest this for a very, very long period of time, and I'm gonna get back to you with some results. Don't forget, the Aroon is at 120. The stochastic is the stock value at 14 and 3. I have gotten rid of the purple K line, and we're waiting for the Aroon to change color. We're looking for the stochastic to agree with the Aroon, meaning that the Aroon went long. Like in this example, the Aroon went long. We look for a good entry point on a dip on the stochastic. Boom, stochastic says it's oversold, go long. So we went long, put our stop right underneath this previous low, and then we finally got out right here when it switched colors again. Which I think that's 1600? No, it's not. No, it's not. Now, to be honest with you, the reason why I didn't count this last trade, there's a losing trade right here. Hell, do you think after I made that kind of money, I'm sticking around? Hell no, I ain't sticking around. After I made that kind of money, that's like a $1,500 per contract day move. I would have made $15,000 that day. I trade 10 contracts. Do you think the fuck I'm possibly staying here after on a Friday after after 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday? Hell no. Anyway, I'm gonna upload this video and you have a good day.